Here we learned unit and factors of specific resistance. From the definitions of specific resistance, this row is called specific resistance. This was equal to R resistance, then area A divided by length. Okay. Or sometimes you can see this also. R area means pi R square. Okay, and L is length L. Great. Now unit. Okay, so if you see this formula, okay, so R is what? R is resistance. Resistance is known as this symbol, which is called ohm, and A is the area. So in SI system, unit of area is meter square and divided by length, and unit of length is meter in SI system. Okay, then if you see this, now meter square here and down is meter, so this meter and square will be cancelled. So therefore specific resistance will be equal to ohm meter. Okay, so now for every length there is some resistance, so which is called specific resistance, or SI unit of this specific resistance is ohm meter. Okay, and factors. We know that specific resistance depends on the different materials. Okay, so there is no other factors, only it depends on the different materials if all the factors are constant. Okay, now for metals. Okay, for metals, this specific resistance is given here. Now this is low, okay, very low. This is 10 power minus 8 ohm. This is 10 power minus 8 ohm per meter. So within 1 meter there will be only 10 power minus 8 ohm. And number 2 is alloy. Okay, sorry, semiconductors. So first was for metal and alloy. Okay, and second is called semiconductors. So this was 1, this was 2. For semiconductors, so its value, approximate value, actually this is not equal, so this is very close to this value. Okay, so specific resistance of semiconductor is given 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 5 ohm per meter or ohm meter. Okay, and third is insulator. You know the insulator? Insulator means a conductor, but it cannot allow the electricity very easily. So only small amount of current will flow through the insulators. Okay, example, wood, plastics, these are insulators. Specific resistance for insulators. So this is up to 10 power 13 ohm. Okay, this is very high resistance. That's why we have seen in your home wirings or cables, this is wrapped inside of plastics or any insulators. Okay, or wire is covered with a plastic because this blocks the electricity. That's why its specific resistance or resistance is very high. So within 1 meter there will be up to 10 power 13 ohm. This is very high value. And little low, very low semiconductor, again very lowest will be metal. So resistance of metal is very small. That's why electricity can flow very easily through the metals. In our home wiring, I have seen the metal wiring is made of, or core of the wiring is copper wire, aluminum wire, etc. Okay, so these are the factors, and upon is the unit of specific resistance or resistivity of a conductor.